Hello, everyone. Matt Werman here. I'm going to show a new tool that a lot of people are using called MagicSchool.ai. So I'm going to give a little tutorial on how to use it, and after watching it, hopefully you can play around with it, and hopefully it works for you. So to use it, just go to MagicSchool.ai. From there, you'll see this login screen. You can sign up with your Google login, and then hit login. And you're going to see there's a lot of things to choose from here. So the thing about that makes this so cool is this is AI technology, but it's really been trained on educational purposes, so it can really help you in your classroom. Um, here on this page, once you log in, you're going to see about 50 some different types of apps that they do. So I'll just pick out a couple here that we can look at, but all types of possibilities for creating quizzes and tests and questions, um, text leveling, all types of really cool stuff that they offer here. So I'll just show you a couple ways to use it real quick, and that'll be all. So I'll go to this first, this academic content generator. So you can generate content and questions along with that. You can choose how long you want it to be and all that kind of thing. So here, if we choose grade level, I'll say 7th grade here. And for our text length, we'll make this just one page. Our content type, so whatever your content is, I'll choose Civil War because I know some classes are covering that. And our topic here, so let's see, Civil War. I guess I could set the social studies there. And maybe something like a timeline. And let's see what it comes up with. So it writes a whole thing here for you, gives you a summary of Civil War, goes through the most important things of the Civil War. And we have to be about a page, which is about what it is there. You can copy it, paste it into your a document that you might give out to the kids. So just a kind of simple thing there, but obviously lots of timelines you could do with this, but it creates all types of content here. So something to check out. That's the academic content generator. Okay. If I go back here, science lab generator. Similarly, sure, let's choose 8th grade here, science lab description. I know a lot of people are doing the CER, so let me type in that, and let me be more specific. Claim, evidence, reasoning, and let's just see what it comes up with. So for a science lab. So again, generates just a really quick list of materials, procedure, and a possible science lab on CER. Lists our standards down at the bottom. Okay. So again, materials. I was talking about a science lab here about it says various objects using a microscope, possibly. Students are in groups. They're collecting evidence based on what they're finding. So just kind of a real simple way to kind of incorporate that into your class. Okay. So again, you can copy that. You can also, if it's kind of too long, you can shorten it right here. You can create questions from it here if you want just a summary of it. And then you can also translate it. So for students that are non-English speakers, you have that option right there embedded in. So additionally, if you have other text that you want to translate, there is a text translator tool, which is very effective, makes very few mistakes. So that's another thing you can check out there as well, text translator tool. You can just paste your text right in there and let it go and choose your language you want it translated into. Lastly, I thought this was really cool as a way, especially if maybe you're going to be out a day and it's unexpected, but you want students to cover a topic and you want them to watch a video, answer some questions on that. So you can do just that. You can choose your grade level. You can maybe do different grades if you want to level questions for students as well. And choose how many questions you want for it to ask. You can make a multiple choice for response, true or false, whatever it might be. And then you just copy and paste the link for a video. So I know the English classes were the reading ELA classes we're talking about denotations and connotations. So I just picked up a video there on that and pasted it in here. So the only thing to know with this, for it to work, it does have to, the YouTube video just does have to have closed captioning enabled. So if it doesn't have that, that will not work. But if it does, we click generate and immediately it analyzes the video and gives us a few questions on there. Again, it could be multiple choice if you wanted. I just made these free response. So talking about the difference between the two, give an example, explain the concept, etc. Okay. And again, you can just click shorten if they want to make the sentences, the questions even shorter. And it'll just kind of regenerate that in a shorter version. Okay. Summarize to give a summary of it. Okay. And again, translating it. So lots of different options here in Magic School AI. So play around with it, see if that can save you some time. Maybe consider using it for newsletters for your classes or your grade. But there's a lot of stuff it can do here. So check it out and let me know if you need help with it at all in your classroom. All right, thanks. Have a great day.